Hey guys, welcome to I'm Gizmo Geek. Last month, Google announced that they will be releasing the Duo app for Android TV platform so that the users can do video call directly from the TV using a webcam. Now that the app is officially released, let me show you how to set it up. The first requirement for it to work is that the TV remote should have inbuilt mic that's generally used for the voice assistant. I have the OnePlus TV and it has the mic over here. The other thing you need is obviously a webcam. I have one from Zebronics and I'll be leaving the link for it in the description. Connect it to the USB port of your TV and you're good to go. Once you have the required hardware, head out to the Play Store on your TV and search for Google Duo. Click on Google Duo from the search results and install it. Right now, we do not have a direct open option for the Duo app, nor is it listed in the app drawer. We have to go into the list of apps in the settings and scroll to the system apps to open it. This is a lengthy process to follow every time, so the next step is to make it easier. Go to Play Store and install any third-party app drawers like ATV Launcher or Sideload Launcher. I used ATV Launcher. Once installed, open the app and you will find the Duo app listed for easy and fast access. So this is how the interface of the Duo app looks like. It directly connects with the Google account used in the TV by default. The left side has contacts and the right side shows the view from our webcam. There's a search option on the top of the contacts where you can search your contacts by their number or name to quickly make a video or voice call. Once you select a contact, it gives you option to start a video call or simple voice call. You can also see the history of calls done to the particular contact. In the settings, we have account details, basically the Google account and the phone number that's linked with it. Make sure to keep the reachable with email address turned on. If you want to log in with a different Google account, you need to sign out and add your Google account to the TV settings and log in again into Duo to get the option of secondary email. For receiving calls from Duo directly on the TV, the app needs to be opened and it shows the incoming call details like this. The video from the other side is shown in full screen if they rotate their phone in landscape. Now, if you're wondering about the video and audio quality from the webcam and remote's mic, here's a sample. Now we are listening to the audio recording of a video call done through Duo app from the Android TV. This is my voice from the TV's remote. There's a fan turned on in the room and there's also small disturbances around in the surrounding. As the remote's mic does not have any noise cancellation, so you might be hearing slight disturbances from around. As you could observe that the voice was very low. This is because I kept the remote at 1 feet distance. For better audio, it's best to keep the remote as close as possible. So to conclude, the Duo app is a great start for video calling segment for Android TV. The experience is totally dependent on the remote's mic and webcam's camera quality. I'm happy with it and already doing calls regularly and taking advantage of the large 55-inch screen. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.